So here is another great recipe that you can make in your air fryer. Wow, doesn't that look delicious? Yum! So you get your plantains, and the darker they are, the sweeter they are. So my recommendation would be it tastes a lot better if you get the one that is as dark as the one I'm cutting right now. The way I actually like pronouncing these is Plantains. So you want to go ahead and cut the ends off. You want to go ahead and slice it down the middle on both sides and go ahead and peel it. When you got that done, go ahead and turn on your air fryer. Go ahead and press on air fry. Get it to 350 degrees. Go ahead and press match cook for 10 minutes. And you will have both sides ready to go because you put one plantain in each drawer.
This is Jedis for Jesus, and I'm a Bible-believing Christian. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look.
So while you've got your plantains cooking in the air fryer, you go ahead and start your ground beef. I usually go ahead and brown up the ground beef, and then I go ahead and drain the fat. And I go ahead and use like taco seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you would like. It's really easy. The directions are on the back to tell you how to make your ground beef mixture. You can go ahead and cook it longer than it actually says, so you can go ahead and get all the juice evaporated. I've also noticed that it just gives it more flavor. Just have it on the lowest heat possible. You can go ahead and buy the cheese in a bag, or you can go ahead and grate it like I like to do here. And I just like pure mild cheddar cheese. That is what I'm using. Now you just wait till it's the countdown. You open up your drawers. The plantain on the left was actually a little bit more ripe. So what you want to go ahead and do now is get some wax paper, about 12 inches, 2 pieces. Then you go ahead and dump your plantain on the wax paper. And then you want to get something like a cutting board. Then you put the wax paper over the plantain and use the cutting board to pound on the plantain to make it as thin as possible. Go ahead and do that with the second plantain. And like I was saying, this one's a lot softer. As I said before, the blacker the plantains are, the more sweeter they are. And they actually do taste better. That is my preference. I go ahead and put some onions on it too, because I just love onions. And here's the ground beef that I had made earlier, and the cheese. Since you are rolling these, what you want to go ahead and do is put about, these are big spoons, you want to put about 4 spoonfuls of ground beef on one side of the flattened plantain. If you like onions, you go ahead and put that on at this time. And then you put cheese on, and how much you like to put on. I love cheese, so put plenty on. Then what you want to go ahead and do is start rolling it, and very easily, as you are rolling it, go ahead and start peeling away the wax paper from the plantain. And keep rolling it until you got it completely closed up. And you might have to use a spatula, spoon, or whatever, a knife. And like I said, this was the one that was really, really ripe, and this one's really going to be sweet. I like to use parchment paper to put down inside the air fryer because the cheese and everything is going to ooze out of this, and I'd rather not have a big mess in the air fryer. The other thing you could go ahead and do is use non-stick spray on the bottom of your air fryer. So once you got them both in your air fryer, you could go ahead and place some cheese on top of it, and that's what I'm talking about with the parchment paper. You just don't want it to be a big mess inside your air fryer. So then you go ahead and put it on. You put air fry, 350, match cook for 10 minutes, and there you go. 10 minutes pass, it's cooling off. You wait till the cool cycle is finished. There you go, it's finished, and there, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Be very careful when you're taking this out. It's very hot. You can go ahead and on the bottom in the description, I do have some gloves that I do use for a lot of my cooking. Great gloves. So let's go ahead and cut into this and see how it looks. Yum! Just like in the beginning of this video. Look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. Let me tell you, the sweeter it is, the plantain, the better it tastes. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you.
This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.